Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Tuesday, December 30, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex.
Hi, David. Good morning.
How are you today?
I am fine, thanks. A little tired.
Me too. I need this coffee.
Is the coffee machine working well?
Yes, it is working, but it is slow.
It is always slow in the morning.
True. So, do you have a busy day?
Yes, I have 2 meetings this morning.
Only 2? You are lucky.
Well, they are long meetings. What about you?
I have 5 calls with clients. It is the end of the year.
Right. Everyone wants to finish work before the new year.
Exactly. It is very stressful.
At least we have coffee.
Yes, this coffee saves my life.
Is it strong enough?
It is okay. I put 2 sugars in it.
That is a lot of sugar, David.
I need the energy, Alex.
I understand. I drink my coffee black.
You are very brave.
No, I just like the taste.
By the way, did you see the news yesterday?
Which news? There is a lot happening.
The story in the Wall Street Journal about the money.
Oh, the digital dollar story?
Yes, that one.
I read it. It is a big change.
It is crazy. No more paper cash for government payments.
Starting January 1. That is in 2 days.
I do not like it. I like holding cash.
I know, but the article says it stops crime.
Maybe, but I worry about privacy.
The government says it is safe.
The government says many things.
That is true, but it is efficient.
Efficient for them, not for me.
It is the future, David. Everything is digital now.
I know. My computer controls my life.
And your phone.
Yes, and my phone. It is too much technology.
It is interesting, though. The economy is changing.
I hope my sales commission is still real money.
I'm sure it is. Just digital numbers in the bank.
I prefer to see the paper bills.
You are old-fashioned, David.
Maybe I am, but 2026 is coming fast.
Yes. The article said 50% of people are worried.
I am in that 50%.
I am in the other 50%. I think it is practical.
We will see next week.
Yes, we will see. Speaking of technology, did you see the other news?
Which one?
The one about the AI friends.
Oh, the ban. Yes, I saw that on CNN.
It is a very controversial topic.
My nephew is not happy.
How old is your nephew?
He is 14 years old.
Then he cannot use the AI companion anymore.
Exactly. The law says you must be 16.
I think it is a good idea.
Why? He loves his AI friend.
That is the problem. It is not a real friend.
But he talks to it every day.
Real people are better. Kids need real social skills.
But he is shy. The AI helps him.
The article says it causes depression in the long run.
Really? I did not read that part.
Yes, the Washington Post had a report on it too.
They say the AI is too perfect.
Exactly. Real humans are not perfect.
You are right. I am not perfect.
And I am not perfect.
But my sales numbers are perfect.
You are funny, David?
I try, but seriously, the fine is big.
Yes. Companies pay $1 million if they break the rule.
That is a lot of money. Or digital dollars.
Huh? Yes, digital dollars.
So, parents have to control the computers now?
Yes, it is a big responsibility.
Parents are very busy.
I know, but mental health is important.
True, but technology moves too fast.
That is why we need laws.
I guess so. But the kids are angry.
They will forget about it in 1 month.
Maybe. Or they will find a new app.
Probably. Kids are smart.
Smarter than us sometimes?
Definitely smarter with computers.
I still struggle with Excel.
Excel is easy. I can teach you.
Please do. I have a report due at 4 p.m.
We can look at it after lunch.
You are the best, Alex.
I know. I am a project manager. We organize things.
And you read the news.
I like to be informed.
Did you see the news about California?
The work week news?
Yes, that is my favorite news.
I read it in USA Today this morning.
A 4-day work week? Sounds like a dream.
It is now a law for big tech companies there.
Only in California?
For now, just in that state.
We should move to California.
It is very expensive there.
But we work 4 days.
And we have 3 days off.
Think about it. Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
It sounds nice, but the work is the same.
What do you mean?
You have to do 5 days of work in 4 days.
Oh, that sounds stressful.
Yes, the days are longer, 10 hours a day.
10 hours? That is a lot.
I prefer to leave at 5 p.m.
Me too. I am tired at 5 p.m.
Imagine working until 7 p.m.
No, thank you. I want dinner at 7 p.m.
Exactly. The article says productivity is higher though.
Really? People work faster?
Yes, because they want the long weekend.
I understand that. I work fast on Fridays.
See, it makes sense.
But is it coming here?
Not yet. Maybe in 2027.
That is too far away.
We have to wait?
I cannot wait 2 years for a break.
You have a vacation soon, right?
Yes, in 3 weeks.
Where are you going?
I am going to the mountains.
That sounds lovely.
No phone, no computer, no news.
And no coffee machine.
I will take my own coffee.
Good plan.
What about you? Any trips?
Not yet. I am busy with the new project.
The marketing project?
Yes, it launches on January 15th.
That is very soon.
I know, that is why I am tired.
You need another coffee.
I think 1 cup is enough.
I'm going to have 2 cups.
Be careful, you will shake.
I need to be fast today.
Why is the boss coming?
Yes, he is coming at 11 a.m.
Oh, that is important.
He wants to see the sales numbers.
Your numbers are good.
They are okay, not great.
You worry too much, David.
It is my job to worry.
And it is my job to plan.
We make a good team.
Yes, we do.
So back to the California news.
Yes,
Do you think the boss likes the idea?
the 4-day week?
Yes?
I think he likes money more.
You're right. He likes work.
He works 6 days a week.
I know, he is a machine.
He is not an AI machine, though.
No, he is a human machine.
Well, we should get back to work.
Yes, the break is over.
My meeting starts in 10 minutes.
Good luck with the meeting.
Good luck with your calls.
Thanks. I hope the clients are happy.
Just smile, it helps.
I always smile.
See you at lunch?
Yes, see you at 1 p.m.
Okay. Have a good morning.
You too, Alex. Bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.